Welcome CNG132. I wanted to do a quick demonstration. I know that the Packet Tracer being upgraded was a different visual lookout than what I used. And I thought I didn't see that in the patch notes that they changed any colors, but just be aware that there is a color difference. Even though there's a color difference, follow along where my mouse is at in the video, and you'll get to where I want you to go. So with this video, I went ahead and started to edit the filters. I've cleared out IPv4, all but ICMP, all IPv6, and then I can just sit here and click these off. Even though I'm not using them, they should not show up in the ping. So let's see, I hit the simulator, so the stopwatch right next to it, click that. This will populate right here. Then I want to go to this. I did a ping once just to make sure that it was connected. And what I did was ping number 3 here. So what I want to do again is up arrow, enter, play. So in this sense, I will see how the ping command works with a switch. If you couldn't get last week's to work, follow this video and get last week's to work, because it's interesting to see the difference from a hub and switch and how they work. They're not the same. They filter packets. Switch 0. I don't know quite what's going on there, but that shouldn't have broadcasted out. I guess that's another protocol. Oh, STP. Okay. So it's doing other protocols. We want to pay attention to the ICMP protocol. And that's this guy going on right here. So it's going to happen 4 times. ICMP is going to be purple. Make sure you understand this concept of how each device works in theory and in real life. This is the best demonstration I can give you as we slow down the packets and actually look at them. Of course, if we were not to have this in real time, it would happen really, really fast. And let's see if we can't even see how that happens. Up arrow, ping, and it's that fast. So a slowed down version by clicking the simulator and actually filtering the packets to ICMP, which is ping, and then looking at how it works with a switch. Go back last week and also view how it works also.